Hello, welcome to Astrotech Lab. We all know Lord Shiva is considered as the greatest of givers, and he is known as the Supreme Lord, and devotees can seek protection from negative energies and black magic. According to Hindu scriptures, he is the one of the Trinity God, who is known as the destroyer of negativity and evil forces. Devotees who are suffering from the negativity and black magic can visit these below mentioned temple to get rid of black magic and give protection to the followers. Let's check out the temples in details. 1. Mahakal Temple, Ujjain. As the conqueror of time, Kala, Lord Shiva is connected to Mahakaleshwar, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Devotees are believed to be protected from negative energy and black magic. Bhasma Arti is one of the famous ritual performed at temple. 2. Thirunajshuram Temple, Tamil Nadu. The temple is dedicated to Naganatha Swami, and the temple is known for remedies against curses and planetary afflictions. Black magic and serpent curses are thought to be negated by this temple, which is connected to Lord Shiva and Rahu, Sarpadasha. 3. Kal Bhairav Temple, Ujjain. This temple is dedicated to Lord Kal Bhairav and situated in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain. The guardian deity of the temple is Kal Bhairav, who is worshipped for removing all types of black magic and negative forces. 4. Sri Kalahastiswara Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Known as the Kashi of the South, this temple is well known for its connections to the shadow planets Rahu and Ketu, and is thought to be a potent location for banishing black magic and curses. 5. Edamanur Mahadev Temple, Kerala. This temple is well known for its potent mystical vibrations and serves as a spiritual sanctuary for people looking to escape demonic forces and black magic. 6. Chidambaram Nataraj Temple, Tamil Nadu. This temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva as the cosmic dancer, Nataraja, and the temple is associated to the elimination of all negative energy and darkness. Tips for the devotees. 1. You are advised check the time and suitable days before visiting the temple. 2. Make sure you enter in the temple with the positivity and have deep faith. 3. You can recite the Shiva mantras, Mahamridyanjaya mantra or Panchachari mantra, and purify your soul, body and mind. 4. You can perform the rituals that often happen in the temple, such as Rudravishakam, special pujas, and seek blessings of the Lord. 5. Devotees should maintain the decorum in the temple, which is must to cleanse negativity. 6. Wear nice clean clothes and also that are recommended for the temple. 7. Lord Shiva often lives in silent places, so if you are visiting Shiva temple, make sure you won't make noise and keep quiet, just focus on praying the Lord. So you need to keep all these above mentioned things in the mind before visiting the temple. I hope today's info help you to protect your and your beloved life. Subscribe us now.